Welcome to the Automic Automation version 26 release highlights. While this release brings a wealth of new features and enhancements across the entire platform, this video focuses specifically on some of our most significant AI advancements. For a comprehensive look at every update in this version, check out the full What's New in version 26 topics in the product documentation. Broadcom is dedicated to investing talent and innovation into the future of our products. For Automic Automation, this means a significant leap forward in generative AI. Building on our established automation AI framework, we are taking intelligent automation to the next level. In this latest release, Automic Automation now fully integrates Model Context Protocol, or MCP. By adopting the MCP standard, we've streamlined communication between the automation engine and large language models. This integration acts as a universal translator, ensuring that your automation needs are converted into precise AI instructions with even greater reliability. This architecture relies on a robust infrastructure where the MCP server manages AI sessions and the MCP client connects the automation engine to your models. All communication takes place via a standardized REST API, ensuring a lightweight and reliable exchange of data. By leveraging a vector database for high-dimensional context, the system provides LLMs with the precise information needed to generate accurate results across any cloud or private environment. While the protocol is new, our commitment to security remains the same. Automation AI continues to serve as your secure LLM-agnostic internal gatekeeper. All data exchanges and context management stay within your protected environment, now backed by the standardized structure of MCP. The exchange between MCP and Automic are also auditable. Version 26 provides more flexibility than ever. Whether you are connecting to custom models on premises or using Broadcom's Gemini model in the Automic SaaS environment, MCP ensure a seamless plug-and-play experience across different AI backends. Bottom line, by building Model Context Protocol into Automation AI, we're making your journey into generative AI faster, more standardized, and more secure. In the evolving AI ecosystem, we've moved beyond simple chatbots. Today, the focus is on AI agents, autonomous entities that don't just answer questions, but take action, reason through complex tasks, and interact with other systems to achieve a goal. Let's consider the various components of the AI solution. It all starts with the new AI connection objects. These CON objects serve as central infrastructure bridges between Automic Automation and the Automation AI component, linking AI jobs to LLMs, MCP servers, and tools. CON objects enhance control over creativity, length, and focus of the AI's responses across all AI jobs using that connection. Next is the AI job. This is the core agentic component. Instead of writing code, you provide a natural language prompt. The AI job uses the AI connection to send data, receive a reasoned response, and, crucially, return that data back to the engine as variables. The magic happens when you bring these together in a workflow. You can now build true AI agents. Use a standard job to fetch data, an AI job to analyze it and decide the next step, and subsequent jobs to execute those actions. With Automic Automation, you aren't just using AI, you are orchestrating it. You're building scalable, governed AI agents that transform manual decision-making into automated intelligence. In version 26, we're making script development faster and more accessible than ever. Introducing the AI-powered Code Assistant, your expert partner in the script editor. As a developer of any skill level, just describe what you need in natural language. The assistant automatically recognizes the required language based on the context. The new AI code assistant is integrated directly into the script editor. You no longer need to start from scratch. Simply write a prompt telling the assistant what you want the code to do. You can even continue the conversation to refine or debug the code. From Python to Windows PowerShell and Linux Shell, the assistant generates ready-to-use code snippets tailored to your specific environment. It's not just about creating new code, it's about making your existing scripts better. Highlight any block of code that you want to modify, correct, or improve, and receive optimized, high-performance suggestions instantly. The experience is seamless. The generated code is inserted right where you need it, while the assistant panel explains exactly how the logic works. Also central to Broadcom's vision is the Intelligent Assistant, a unified Gen AI hub integrated directly into AWI, designed to elevate your productivity. Through this single access point, you gain two specialized experts, the Automation Assistant for workflow mastery and the Documentation Assistant for instant product knowledge. Streamline your experience by revisiting previous breakthroughs in all chats, or start a fresh query instantly by clicking New. The assistant is inherently context-aware. It understands exactly where you are within the interface, allowing for intuitive, natural language conversations about your current environment. Beyond conversation, the intelligent assistant is also a master of technical analysis. We've significantly enhanced our report analysis capabilities for a deeper, more accurate diagnostic experience. The automation assistant no longer just reads text. It now intelligently considers specific object types and their exact statuses. Managing vast amounts of data doesn't have to be a manual chore. Version 26 introduces a smarter way to navigate your environment with AI-powered filtering and sorting. Now you can skip the menus and simply speak the language of your business. Using the AI Filter Assistant, you can refine any list using natural language prompts. While our AI is powerful out of the box, we know that every enterprise has unique needs. Version 26 puts the steering wheel in your hands with customizable system prompts. Administrators can now fine-tune AI behaviors to a high degree of accuracy. By modifying the query strings in the new centralized UC AI prompts variable object, you can tailor the assistant's logic to match your specific operational standards. Different models perform best with different instructions. Whether you are optimizing for accuracy or specific formatting, you can now match your prompts to the unique strengths of your chosen LLM. Should the assistant provide insights in a specific language? This flexibility allows you to localize responses, ensuring your global teams get the information they need in the language they speak.